Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to another question and answer session for MRCS exam. Here, this is the question here that which of the following physiological changes don't occur following tracheostomy? So we have to find out the option which usually don't occur after tracheostomy. Here the options are alveolar ventilation is increased, anatomical dead space is reduced by 50%, work of breathing is increased, proportion of the ciliated epithelial cells in the trachea may decrease, splitting of the larynx may lead to swallowing difficulties. So we have to find out one of the options which will not occur after tracheostomy procedure. So here we can see this is the tracheostomy, in where tracheostomy tube is placed, and it usually placed between the second third tracheal ring, and it is done below the thyroid and cricoid cartilage, usually below the cricoid cartilage, because cricoid cartilage is a complete circular, so any injury to the cricoid cartilage may develop stenosis. So usually tracheostomy procedure is done below the cricoid cartilage, not at the level of the cricoid cartilage or above the cartilage, to prevent any type of the injury to the cricoid cartilage, because cricoid cartilage is completely circular and stenosis will develop. And so our answer here, and this tracheostomy tube usually inserted to reduce the work of breathing or increase the breathing affinity. So here our answer, work of the breathing is increased. It is not true, because the tracheostomy, the main goal that the work of the breathing is reduced. That means the patient can take breathe very easily. Other options such as the alveolar ventilation is increased. It is true, because the dead space loss will be reduced. Anatomical dead space is reduced by 50%. It is true, because we bypasses the air, larger areas such as the nose, nasopharynx, oropharynx, laryngopharynx, and larynx also. So the dead space will be reduced. So air will be increased. Proportion of the ciliated columnar cell in the trachea may decrease. Yes, it may be increased, because the air is not purified by nose and paranasal sinus. In direct enter into the trachea. So for this, cilia may be injured or may be insulted and may get damaged. Then splintings of the larynx may lead to swallowing difficulty. It is also true. So work of the breathing is increased. It is not true. After a tracheostomy procedure, work of the breathing will be decreased. Thank you all.